So as guests approach the Wonders of Xandar Pavilion, they are going to come in and learn all about Xandar, from our Galaxarium to the Xandar Gallery, and learning about the heroes of Xandar, the Guardians.
They will get to experience the technology that we've been working on with our Xandarian partners, and we're actually going to teleport them up from Epcot onto a Xandarian ship so that they'll be able to see the cosmic generator for themselves.
The cosmic generator creates jump points that help all of Xandarians and the Nova Corps travel vast distances from point to point in space.
Well, when we started about 5 or 6 years ago, we came up with this cosmic generator, but we had to come up with what the cosmic generator was. And this was an awesome, fun process because we got to basically make what the visual language of that was and how it's done.
Act 1 of the attraction is one of my favorite parts, actually, before you even get to your full adventure. The technology that we use to transport you from gallery to spaceship to space is a cool process between physical and projection-based technology.
During that demonstration, things go a little wrong, and a villain, Isan, now has taken that and is going to rewrite history.
When we got our villain Isan, we figured out, he needed to be as big as the planet or even bigger in some cases. How do you do this? And it's a lot of theatrical techniques. I think there's some great things we learned about techniques we've used over the years, like forced perspective, that we haven't done, I think, to this level in other projects before. So that was kind of exciting.
The Guardians need our help and enlist us to go join them in this journey through space and time to capture our villain, to get the generator back and save the day.
It's been such a fun journey to see all of these different show elements come from us talking about them, to being written down on paper, to being built, and then actually programming them and seeing them come to life.
Then add into that the physical, visceral aspect of this brand new technology of these new vehicles we've created.
So I'm just really excited for guests to experience the unexpected and have fun along the way.